Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic. Is it worth buying in 2022? Let's find out. First of all, let's get started with a regular Galaxy Watch 4, as it is the cheapest model of Samsung's Wear OS smartwatch. With some amazing deals, you can get it for about $150 US. Galaxy Watch 4 is a super lightweight smartwatch, and it is equally good for ladies too. With its simple and elegant design, this is definitely the best smartwatch that you can buy for your Android smartphone. Talking about specs, it has the same processor and RAM from Galaxy Watch 5 and has the same design too. So performance wise, there is no difference at all. And now it is running on the latest One UI 4.5 or Wear OS 3.5, which is present on Galaxy Watch 5 too. So you really cannot tell the difference between a regular Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 5. Unless you see the back side of the smartwatch, which features a new temperature monitoring sensor present on Galaxy Watch 5. About this sensor, as of now it is useless. Even Apple introduced this sensor on their latest Watch Series 8, and the watch is not able to tell the exact body temperature. Rather, it tells if the body temperature is above the baseline or below the baseline, and that is recorded only while taking a nap. In the same way, this temperature sensor shows no active reading on Samsung Health app or on Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. Maybe Samsung will not push an update that will make this thing possible this year. Apart from that sensor, we have a bit more battery on Galaxy Watch 5. But if a charger is available near you most of the time, then you don't need that extra battery life, as the difference is not huge, and regular Galaxy Watch 4 can easily live for about 1.5 or 2 days. So this was all about the Galaxy Watch 4. If you don't have the budget to buy the latest smartwatch, just get the Galaxy Watch 4, but keep in mind that it will not work with an iPhone. The best is you should have a Samsung Galaxy phone so you can use all those ECG, BP and body fat monitoring features. Now, cherry on the top is the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. It has something that even the latest Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro misses out. And yes, it is the rotating mechanical bezel. This year Samsung killed rotating bezel on Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and bought a physical touch bezel. But a lot of people are not happy from this decision, as this was signature Samsung smartwatch design. Anyways, Galaxy Watch 4 Classic Renewed is available for just under $200. That is an amazing deal that you can get right now. Link for it, by the way, is down in description. Talking about specs, once again it has the exact same processor and RAM. Only the new thing Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro has is a sapphire glass and a huge 590 mAh battery. This is only for those pro users who like to go on hiking or running without a charger for a few days. Else, as a regular user, you don't need that extra battery life. Plus, you can check out some tips I have mentioned in description to save battery life on your Galaxy Watch 4. There is no as such difference in activity tracking or heart rate monitoring. Body fat monitor and heart rate monitor now works a bit faster on Galaxy Watch 5 series. But at the end, results are pretty consistent. Moving on to the conclusion, Galaxy Watch 4 can be easily recommended in 2022 and even for next year. If you have any thoughts to share, just let me know in the comment section and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.